Hi everyone, it's Caitlyn here. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and I do encourage you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future uploads. Today's video is going to be a sheet mask. It is the SooAe Super Intensive Hydrocell Mask. It's moisture replenishment and anti-aging. So this is the face mask that I'm going to be doing. It's just a sheet mask. So it sits on for 15 to 20 minutes, so I'm just going to apply it, and then I'm going to talk through the whole information that is on the back of this and tell you a little bit about what it does and how it helps. So let's get into it. I've already showered, my face is nice and clean, and now it's time to just pop this bad boy on. So here we go. We're going to open this up. Very terribly, I might add. And open it up. Ooh, it's like really gooey. Oh my god, it's like super gooey. Oh my god, look at that. It's so thick. Can you see that? Let me get close. I'm gonna drop this. Oh god, it's everywhere. Okay. Look at how thick that is. It's so gross. Alrighty, getting back to it. I'm gonna open this up. Oh my god, it's all over my hands. Okay, open it up. Well, it's nice that it's one full sheet instead of two separate things like other masks that they've given me, but it's kind of annoying that this is all stuck together like that. I wish it would have like a sheet in between to make it easier to pull apart, but oh well. This is a very thick mask, so it shall be fine. Okay, I'm gonna get this everywhere, I just know it. Okay. You're gonna go all in my hair, aren't you? After I just showered. Okay. It's all over my hair. Okay, I'm gonna grab this because it is too big for my face. And I'm probably just gonna fold it over so that it doesn't sit so high up into my hairline and get everywhere. Oh my god, this is gross. It even sounds nasty. Oh my god, my hair is all inside of this. I totally forgot to put a hair thingy, hair catcher, hairband. There we go, hairband on. Okay. Oh well. Oh. This thing is huge. Why does it need to be this big? Okay. Got a little bit of an overhang here on my cheeks just because this is a huge mask. Oh well. It shall work. You know, fold. There we go. Okay. Now that that bad boy's on. Oh well, I'm gonna get it in my hair, who cares? Oh. Okay. There we go. I think that's on correctly. So, upon putting this on, this is a very thick mask. Like, very thick. Okay. There we go, we're good to go. So this bad boy is now on, and I'm gonna read the information to you. Okay, so this is a moisture replenishment and anti-aging premium essence sheet mask. SooAe's Hydrocel mask fabric is soaked with moisture revival complex, a unique blend of botanical extracts and 17 complex amino acids to restore the look of youthful and healthy glowing skin. So that's why this sheet mask is so thick. It's a fabric. Like, it's a thick fabric. I can feel it like sliding down my face because it's kind of heavy. But it is Moisture Revival Complex, adenosine, adenosine. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that, sorry. You leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. So more on the back. Formulated with SooAe's Moisture Revival Complex, a unique blend of botanical extracts and 17 complex amino acids. This hydrating formula helps to improve moisture and skin clarity for radiant and smooth skin. This moisture-rich essence formula is infused into SooAe's unique eco-friendly Hydrocel Mask fabric and allows for significantly improved absorption and delivery of powerful ingredients into the skin, exceeding those of a traditional sheet mask. So this mask you can find at Walmart. It's just like, it's like a nice affordable drugstore brand. It's not crazy expensive, so that's a big bonus. Hydrocel is SooAe's newest patented innovation in sheet mask fabric and is manufactured through a special process that allows the mask to swell up over 12 times its size after it absorbs essence. Well, it's definitely super, super thick. Like, that's a very thick sheet mask. Wow. This incredible absorbency rate allows the most optimal delivery of active ingredients to your skin. Hydrocel sheet mask. Super intensive hydrocell sheet mask. This thing is so heavy, it's sliding on my face. Like, I have to keep pushing it up. It doesn't feel itchy. It doesn't smell. Yeah, it doesn't have any smell to it. It's very gooey, very, very moisturizing feeling. And thick. So I washed my face, put the sheet mask on. Now I have to let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes, and I'm going to peel it off, wash my face like I normally would, because I always wash my face after a sheet mask. I don't know, I just feel like I get all this scum and disgustingness off of my face, even though the scum and disgustingness is beneficial to my face and hydrating it and anti-aging, you know what I mean? I don't know, it's just me. I just really like washing my face afterwards. I feel dirty if I don't. So I'm going to. But yeah, gonna let this sit for 15 to 20 minutes. I'll be right back. Alrighty, so it's been 15 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off my face so that I can wash it. But all I can say is the past like 15 minutes, my face has had like a cooling sensation. Haven't felt any side effects, no burning, no itching, nothing like that. It's just been feeling like really cold on my face, and that's probably just because it's wet and the air is cold, who knows. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and take this off my face and see how it feels. Pop that bad boy there. Alrighty, so taking it off my face, there's a lot of product sitting on my skin, so I'm probably just supposed to like massage it in. Just to work it in there really well so that my face feels super awesome. Oh, there we go. So that is my little wear test review of the SooAe Super Intensive Hydrocell Mask. I don't know why I can't say that word, but yeah. That is cheevers. I'm just about to toss this thing on the floor. So that is this review of the SooAe Hydrocell Mask. Really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to like, share, favorite, and subscribe to my channel to watch more of moi, as well as turn on notifications so you don't miss any future uploads, because it's super important, because YouTube is not notifying my subscribers of my videos. So hit that button, make sure you're getting notifications, all the notifications to my channel. And comment down below if you've tried the SooAe masks. What was your favorite? What was your least favorite? I'd love to hear in the comments down below. And until next time, stay beautiful, okay? Bye.
When you want to